Hi everyone, my name is Nafis Safa Almeida. Today I'm going to talk briefly about language assessment. So, what is language assessment? Basically, it's the process of measuring someone's ability in a language. It helps teachers evaluate students' skill in listening, speaking, and writing. According to H. Douglas Brown, assessment is an ongoing process of collecting information about students' learning, and Lai F. Brahman explained that it's a systematic way to measure language ability. Now let's talk about the types. First, we have diagnostic assessment. This is usually given before learning starts to find out students' strength and weakness. The second, formative assessment. This happens during learning process. It helps teacher monitor progress and give feedback. Third, summative assessment is given at the end of unit of course to measure student final achievement. There is also placement assessment, which is used to decide what a level should be in. And finally, proficiency assessment, which measure overall language ability, not just what was taught in class. Language assessment is also supported by some important theory. For example, communicative competence by Delhim says that knowing a language is not just about grammar, but also about using it appropriately in real-life situations. Then, communicative language ability by Lai F. Rahman explained that language ability includes grammar, meaning, communication strategy. Another important concept comes from Samuel Messick, who emphasized validity and reliability. In simple terms, a good test must measure what it's supposed to measure, and it must give consistent result. Before making test question, teacher need to consider several things. The test must have clear objective, good validity and reliability. Appropriate difficulty level be practical in terms of time and scoring, and reflect real-life language use. So my conclusion is language assessment is a structured way to measure students' language skill. It has different types. It's based on important theory. It's carefully planning. So I think that's all from me guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you.